Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's question is: what pattern of inheritance does this trait follow? If you propose that this is autosomal recessive genetic disorder, let's assume that this couple, both people in this couple are affected, so they have to be homozygous recessive, and there is no way that one of their children would be phenotypically normal, because all of their children are going to inherit recessive alleles. All of them have to be affected. So this pattern we can explain with autosomal dominant genetic disorder. So both parents here have to be heterozygous. In this case, they may give to their progeny these two recessive alleles, and in this case, the child who is homozygous recessive would be phenotypically normal. And the rest, as you see here, got at least one dominant allele from at least one parent. It can be two dominant alleles. It can be one dominant allele. Only one dominant allele is enough for this genetic disorder to be expressed. And another proof that this is dominant genetic disorder: dominant genetic disorders doesn't skip generations. As you see, in every generation we have affected people. And with recessive genetic disorders, or sometimes with X-linked genetic disorders, we see that these genetic disorders may skip generation. For example, we can see affected people in generation 1, none affected in generation 2, and then it is reappear in generation 3. And also, when we have, for example, X-linked genetic disorders, usually we see that more affected males than females. But here we see 3 affected males and 4 affected females. So this is definitely not X-linked recessive genetic disorder. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.